As I grow up yearly, I see things clearly. Cause I was a bestie, suddenly I'm an enemy. I'm like, what happened? Cause we were like family. Looking at myself in the mirror, shamefully. Pouring myself to God, painfully. Trying to take these demons of mine out of me. Cause it is the one that changed my bestie into my enemy. Oh God, feel the pain I have inside. Oh God, take these demons of mine besides me. I come to you cause this demon of mine grew inside my head and I couldn't retrieve it. I come to you cause you're the only person that could slowly redeem it. What's love without love but hatred? I be having a paper and a pen, writing like I'm a poet. Like I seem like a joke to y'all, and I know it. But this demon of mine feels like it's COVID. Like it's been trying to spread all over y'all, but I have stopped it. Oh, demon of mine, you changed my bestie into my enemy. Oh, demon of mine, what's your next step? Is in my family? I've been feeling this pain for so many years, but I have never poured out on you.
Olele.